Today we are breaking down car audio basics in simple language. So whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone who wants better sound while driving, this video is for you. Let's go from the source to the speakers to damping and subwoofers. Hello everyone, this is Karthik Sukumar from Autoplanet. First up, the source. This is basically a music player. In most cars, it's the head unit or stereo, the thing you use to control your music. There are two types: factory unit, the one your car comes with; aftermarket unit, upgraded ones with better sound processing and features like Bluetooth, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Why upgrade? Aftermarket units often send the keener signal and more power to your speakers, which means better sound right from the start. Next, amplifiers. Think of amps as power boosters. Your source gives out a weak signal and the amp makes it strong enough to drive your speakers properly. Factory systems sometimes include a small amp, but if you want serious sound, you need an aftermarket amp. There are different classes as well, like Class A, Class AB, Class D, Class HD. We'll talk more on that in a future video. Now, let's talk about speakers. Most cars have basic speakers that can't handle deep bass or high clarity. Basic difference on speaker types: coaxial speakers is a speaker with woofer and tweeter combined, great for budget upgrades and rear fills. Component speakers separate woofer and tweeter for better sound quality. Comes with a crossover to separate the frequency between the tweeter and mid bass. These give you clearer highs and better mid range. Upgrading your speakers is one of the best ways to improve your sound instantly. Damping or sound deadening is something many skip, but it's super important. It means adding material to reduce vibrations and block outside noise. It keeps the music in and the noise out. You get cleaner bass and better overall sound. It's like putting your music in a quieter room. Finally, subwoofers. These are the big guys responsible for the deep bass you feel in your chest. There are different sizes: 8, 10, 12, even 15 inches. You'll also need a mono amp to power them right. If you like hip hop, EDM, or just love feeling the thump, a subwoofer is a must. You can go for a custom box or a preloaded one depending on your budget. So there you have it, from your source to your subs. Those are the car audio basics every car owner should know. Want more videos like this? Drop a comment, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you next time.